This is an introduction to some of the finer cakes and pastries. We'll be doing European torts and cakes. We'll be doing artisanal breads, and we'll be offering a class in custards and creams. All of these can be interchanged. A lot of the stuff that we'll be learning will be applicable with other classes that we have available. Well, there's been more and more recently, there's been more of a demand for from scratch ingredients from the restaurants, from the retirement communities, etc. There's a lot of very, very good pre-made product out there, but having something made from scratch that you make and you eat the same day even really has a different feel and a different touch to it. I'm really excited that I have some certified pastry chefs coming to work with us here at RCC, and this is their background. This is what they've done, this is what they've gone to school for, and this is the industry they've worked in. So they have a true feel for what the industry wants and needs. It is all brand new equipment. It is all nice and shiny, and believe it or not, that has a good feel to it. So it's having equipment that works the way it's supposed to work, and having the opportunity to use professional grade equipment really does make a difference, and it does give you a really good feel for what's expected of you if you go into the industry. You're going to have the ability to do other things than just baking in order to go into the pastry field. Most employers aren't going to hire you just to bake, but if you can bake and do a little bit of prep work, that job's yours.